Hello, this is Idrees Munir, CEO of Pink Salt Wall. In this video, I'll be talking about Saltite, a unique adhesive designed specifically for connecting Himalayan salt bricks. We live in a world where there are countless respiratory diseases out there, such as coronavirus, that is currently plaguing our world. One of the ways to combat this is to surround ourselves with Himalayan salt, which is effective in cleaning our lungs and the air around us. A salt room generates negative ions. If you spend time regularly in that environment, it helps you relax, eases breathing, kills allergies, and helps maintain strong lungs. To build this mini environment, you require Himalayan salt blocks and an appropriate adhesive like Saltite, which will keep salt blocks tightly bound together. The most important elements in developing this adhesive are there should be no fumes. It should be pure of any toxic effects, and it should create a strong bond between salt blocks and also between salt blocks and other material like plexiglass or wood. Another important feature of a salt wall lies in its decor. People build these walls because of its beauty and eye-pleasing effects. So the adhesive should adhere to this standard and be transparent. You want to be able to see just your bricks, nothing else. By keeping all these features in mind, we did R&D. We involved a chemical engineer. We tried different formulas and we took the time to ensure that the formula is safe. We developed a safe and strong adhesive for salt and named it Saltite. Why you want to use it? Saltite is strong, binds tightly with sodium chloride, and this bond is durable and long-term. Saltite is clear and leaves no color between the blocks. Saltite generates no fumes or odor, which can be health hazard. Saltite is compliant with VOC and with OSHA's hazard communication standard. Saltite has been extensively tested in warm areas, in cold, and of course ambient room temperature. In all these different environments, Saltite has proved to create a strong bond between salt blocks that lasts for a long time. So if you look at these blocks, these are 2-inch wide bricks, and there are 2 beads applied in between these 2 blocks, 2 beads of Saltite, and it's after waiting for about 24 hours, it binds so strong that you cannot separate easily. We have already also applied the Saltite between plexiglass and the salt brick, and it's connected with each other with Saltite, and it's very difficult to separate after applying Saltite. So if you want to build a salt room or create a salt wall in your sauna room, in your living room, or your workplace, you want to use Saltite. For further information, please call us or connect us through our website pinksaltwall.com. Thank you very much.